unblock someone on Instagram. So for example, first, let's try to block this person. So let me right click on this, or click on the three dots and click on this block right here in order to block them. If you want to unblock them, or if you just recently blocked them, you can actually unblock them right here. So you can head over and click on unblock. However, if you try to actually search for them after you unblock them, for example, let's search for them right here, we won't be able to see them right here. So if it actually passed some time that you have blocked them, you can head over right here to your profile. Click right here on your three lines and then click on the search and search it here for block. You can see this block right here. Click on that and you should be able to see in here all the accounts that you have blocked. This is that person. Click on this unblock right here in order to unblock them. And once you have unblocked them, as you can see, they will be removed on this list. So that's how you unblock someone on Instagram.